Hi, hello and namaskaram. Welcome to another video session for Fine Dining Indian. So here you'll be learning how to make a water buffalo curry in a traditional Kerala home style, or you can say it's in a toddy shop style. So there is nothing, no coconut milk we use. It's just straight into the pressure cooker, cook it for 20 minutes and then slowly reduce it. So extra thing what I added is the lemongrass. So when we had amazing Thai beef curry, Thai red beef curry with lemongrass, it's amazing flavor that gives to the red meat. So I just put a touch of lemongrass in it and it came out brilliant. So watch this video, cook along with me and then find out how it turned out. So making the beef for buffalo curry, I have the buffalo meat cut into small cubes. If you want, you can use a bone also with the bone. So ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, pepper powder, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, chili flakes, salt, chicken stock cube, sliced onions, green chili and curry leaf. Once it's all mixed properly, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix it again. Put water, just enough to cover the meat. So mix it. A bit more water, so it's just enough to cook and you have enough gravy. And then once it's cooked, if the gravy is or the juice is still running, we can reduce it to make it a bit thicker. The best is to make it one day in advance and then you can eat it the next day by reheating. It gets more flavor, the meat get infused with all the spices and the chili. So now the beef is 90% cooked. It's soft. When you press it, it's breaking. For flavor, I'll be adding some crushed lemongrass shoot that gives a nice lemony aroma. So allow it to simmer and reduce a bit so this gravy goes a bit thicker. Otherwise, it tastes amazing. So the same thing, I can use it for beef dry fry, beef ularthu, beef masala, pepper masala, chili beef. So once you have this is ready, you can just take out the peas and then turn to different dishes. So that way it's much easy to bring it variation in your kitchen. So to finish off the beef, for some tempering, I add coconut oil, then chopped julienne of garlic, curry leaf, some chopped up lemongrass that gives additional flavor. Now saute, slit green chili, I don't want to cook it or brown it, just to sweat it so nice aroma comes up, and that's it. And that we're going to put it on top of the buffalo curry or the beef curry what we made. So place the beef along with the sauce. The sauce is now nice thick. You have a nice light aroma of lemongrass, because that's good enough. If you want to put more, you can do it. I'm just adding the sauteed garnish on the top. Nice flavor of coconut oil, the virgin coconut oil, curry leaf, garlic and green chili. So thank you for cooking along with me the traditional beef curry, a simple one like a toddy shop, or you make it at home. I believe you enjoy it, and this is fair use is water buffalo. I don't promote like cooking a beef or a cow or whatever, but if you're in a European country, use amazing beef fillet. No one going to stop you. So, and Kerala porotta and the beef curry or beef in any form is amazing combination. So this, once you made this curry, you can turn into a beef ularthu, beef variety, beef pepper fry, chili beef, in any form of Kerala style beef, you can turn this into different forms. So I'll be showing one more beef preparation with a Kerala beef porotta. So it's like a beef masala and porotta. So try it and enjoy it. Subscribe to our channel.